You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the Enjin wallet. Welcome back to Rome Tips. Today, we're diving into the Enjin wallet, exploring its features and sharing my personal user experience. All the relevant links are available in the description below. The Enjin wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet packed with features, designed with gamers and NFT enthusiasts in mind. However, its functionality extends far beyond that audience, making it a great choice for anyone looking to manage a diverse portfolio of crypto assets. Known for its emphasis on security, user-friendliness, and smooth integration with the gaming ecosystem, the Enjin wallet truly stands out. One of the Enjin wallet's strongest points is its robust security. It utilizes advanced encryption to safeguard your private keys. As a non-custodial wallet, you retain full control over your funds. For added security, you can enable an optional fingerprint or passcode lock. Enjin simplifies the backup process with a 12-word recovery phrase, quickly set up during initial configuration. This ensures your assets are protected, even if you switch devices. The wallet's interface is sleek, clean, and intuitive, simplifying the management of multiple cryptocurrencies. It supports a broad range of tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all ERC20, ERC721, and ERC1155 assets, making it a prime choice for those active in the NFT and gaming space. Enjin features an integrated DApp browser, enabling access to decentralized applications directly from the wallet. This is especially attractive to gamers exploring blockchain-based games and decentralized marketplaces, and to NFT collectors. The native integration with the Enjin marketplace is a key feature, facilitating seamless browsing, buying, and selling of NFTs directly within the wallet. A built-in exchange allows for easy token swapping, supporting over 1,000 tokens. This eliminates the need for external platforms, streamlining trades, and making it convenient for both casual crypto users and those heavily invested in NFTs. One unique aspect of the Enjin wallet is its Beam QR function. This allows you to receive blockchain-based assets through a simple scan, perfect for quick NFT airdrops or sending in-game items. This highlights Enjin's commitment to making blockchain technology accessible to everyone, particularly those engaging with in-game assets and digital collectibles. In my experience, the Enjin wallet provides a potent combination of security, ease of use, and specialized features tailored to the gaming and NFT community. It's an excellent choice for beginners seeking an accessible wallet with comprehensive asset management, as well as advanced users deeply involved in the digital collectibles ecosystem. With its strong focus on user experience and flexibility, the Enjin wallet proves itself a reliable and versatile option for managing both traditional cryptocurrencies and next-generation blockchain assets.